Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It is day number 2 guys on my Thanksgiving Day menu. And today I got me a nice good buttermilk cornbread. You could use this just as a side, or you could use it for your cornbread dressing. But in any case, this thing is simple to bring together guys, so we're going to jump into this video and I'm going to show you exactly how I get it done. Alrighty guys, so we got a short list of ingredients right here. I got some buttermilk, got some unsalted butter, 3 eggs, and inside of my bowl here I got me some yellow cornmeal. That's just regular cornmeal, not self-rising. I do have self-rising flour right there, and a little sugar. That sugar is absolutely optional. Check the description of the video and I'll have the correct measurements and everything inside of the description of the video. So we're going to go ahead and just get our flour and cornmeal and sugar inside our mixing bowl right here. Doesn't take long to bring this thing together at all. Once we get that down in there, we're just going to go ahead and give that a little mix just until we have it all one uniform color. Alright, so once you get it all looking together, just like this right here, that's all we need. Now we're going to mix this thing into oblivion. Just bring it together till it looks uniform. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our eggs inside of here, guys. I'm using 3 eggs. Everything is at room temperature, my eggs and my buttermilk. And I forgot to mention the vegetable oil in the beginning, but I do use about 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil inside of here. That's going to help make it nice and moist along with this buttermilk. My buttermilk came out all clumpy, which buttermilk is kind of like that anyways, but I still just give it a little shake and come inside of here. You want to add 1 cup of buttermilk to this. Splashing it all over the place. Alright, so once we get that buttermilk added, then we're going to go ahead and give this another mix and bring all of this together. You don't want to over mix it guys, because that's going to give you a really tough cornbread, and that's not what you want. You just want to mix it until all of that comes together nice and smoothly, just like this right here. Alright, so once we have it all mixed together guys and nice and smooth like that, we're going to come in here, we're going to add 1 stick of this melted unsalted butter. You can just melt that inside of the pan that you're going to be baking this inside of. You'll go ahead and get that butter mixed in, and that's going to be it guys. You just want to bring that together as such. That is a really quick, simple buttermilk cornbread recipe right here. And all we're going to do now is come in and we're going to add this back into our pan here. And we're going to get this inside of the oven on 350. We're going to let this go for anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. It's not going to take this long at all. If you want to make a bigger one guys, just double the recipe and you should be fine. So I'll get this in the oven 350 for about 25-30 minutes, and it comes out nice and golden brown just like this right here guys. That is absolutely beautiful, beautiful cornbread. Got those nice crispy edges that I know my brother would like, but he's not going to eat this because this is for my my dressing, so he's not going to be eating this. But I am going to cut this up guys, plate it up, take my thumbnails and videos, and then I'm going to come back and give it a little taste test for you guys. Nice good buttermilk cornbread. Alright guys, coming with a real quick taste test. Got my nice good buttermilk cornbread right here. Not going to indulge in this too much because I'm going to be using this for my cornbread dressing. I can give it a little taste test for you guys. Yeah, I'm coming here with my spoon. Look at that. That's nice and fluffy, nice and light. Still hot. Give that a try. Absolutely perfect. That's gonna make a outstanding, absolutely outstanding dressing. One more piece, and then I gotta save this. One more piece. Alrighty guys, so that is day number 2 of our Thanksgiving menu. Nice good buttermilk cornbread. Something you can have as a side or use it for your cornbread dressing. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And also please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. Oh, butter over the edge. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace.